Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare the Cadillac ATS-V and the Chevrolet Camaro SS. These two performance machines, while sharing the same excellent alpha platform, offer very different driving philosophies. We'll explore what makes each car unique, from their engines to their interiors, helping you decide which one better suits your style. Let's dive into the details and see how these two American powerhouses stack up against each other. The Cadillac ATS-V truly embodies luxury performance. Under its hood, you'll find a potent 3.6-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering 464 horsepower. Inside, the cabin offers a refined experience with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. It's designed for drivers who appreciate a sophisticated ride that also excels with precise handling and impressive track capabilities, blending comfort with serious speed. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're pushing your car to its limits, you need gear that can keep up. Just like a high-performance vehicle, your socks should be reliable. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're incredibly durable and comfortable. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. You can find the link to Darn Tough Socks and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's talk about the Chevrolet Camaro SS, a true icon of raw power. This beast is equipped with a 6.2-liter V8 engine, churning out 455 horsepower. The Camaro SS consistently delivers incredible performance for its cost, making it a fantastic value. If you crave that unmistakable, visceral American muscle car driving experience, the Camaro SS is definitely engineered to deliver.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.